Let's welcome Shanghai Shuncom Smart Technology company. Hi, Mr. Lee. Ray, right?
Hello. Yeah, I'm Ray. I'm Ray here. Okay, so can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. I can see you.
Okay, so let me start to present the products from Shuncom Shanghai IoT from now. Let me share the screen to you first. All right, so did you see the full screen display right now?
Yes, I can see it.
Okay, all right, let's start. Hi everyone, so my name is Ray. I'm a jumbo electronics company in Thailand, and we are the I'm a country manager for the Shuncom in Thailand office. Okay, we are the partner company together. So Jumbo and Shuncom, we are cooperate to explore the products to the Thailand regional. And right now, our products has very good successful in the Thailand region a lot. And our concept to promote the products, we say that everywhere control. Okay, so talk about our background. So I'm here for to manage the company, and we run the business for 8 years already, and we cooperate with Shuncom like I'm acting like a country manager for them in Thailand. And I will go through the product that we have to focus right now. Let me use the laser pointer. Okay, we have 3 products to focus in Thailand to promote to you. First is the smart IoT street lighting and the smart solar lighting, and the last one is a smart IoT street pole. Okay, and we have successful the site reference projects in Thailand is a lot. Example that we have done in the Department of the Airports, over 6,200 poles, and in other city, which is all of this is under government city, okay, under government control. So totally, let's say we have done almost 10,000 poles already for the last year, and this year we are coming more. And we have installed the smart IoT solar lighting already 6,200 poles. And the smart IoT street lighting, we already done 3,300 poles. And we are under installing, that means under developing the projects with the government, with more than 15,000 poles. So let's talk about our products, what we have today to present to you. Our smart IoT solution, we have 3 things we need to know. The first is working system. The second is the device. And the last one is certification of Thailand. First one, we have the NB IoT, and we have the LoRa, and the last one, we have the 6B. So these 3 kinds of the name we call the protocol. So the protocol is mean the set of the rules to communicate each device together. Okay. Talk about the principle of the smart IoT street pole lighting working solutions. So from here, we have the software, okay, that we can access to the cloud, and then the cloud can connect to the gateway. Okay, after that, the gateway will connect to the controller, and the controller, this controller will be installed in each pole, and it will connect automatically by themselves. Then the whole street, the whole lamp will be connected together, and some pole we can make it like the high-end one, like a smart pole, like this way. We talk about the 6B protocol to let you understand. The protocol of the 6B is different. The gateway can control the controller up to 150 poles. Okay, and the design is must be open, clear area. That means should be without any obstacle or like a tree, like a building to block and to make the signal become weak like that. This is the strength point of the 6B. Okay, and what about the LoRa? Our protocol for the LoRa is different. A LoRa will be connectivity like a point to the multi-point like this. So from the cloud software, we connect to the gateway, and the gateway will be connect to each lamp directly, like this we call the point to multipoint. For the NB IoT, this is the narrowband frequency. Our products also already ready to use, and the connectivity is like this, similar to the LoRa. So from the base station of the mobile phone operator, they will connect and send the data to each lamp directly. So this is a so-called NB-IoT. I want to talk about the certification of the protocol that if we want to explore the market in Thailand. 6B, we have the certificate already and ready right now. So the local certification is so-called NBTC. So this is the document to show you. For the LoRa and NB-IoT, we are under processing because we have less project, but they are the coming project more that we have to apply the import license. And then we talk about the smart IoT street lighting. We talk about the products. The first one that I want to show you is this is the controller that we put in each street lamps. So each lamp, each single lamp, you need to install the controller. So this is the controller apparent design. This design is easy to use when your lamps has not any NEMA socket. The NEMA socket is very common use in the long days ago, like a photocell socket. So if you don't have that socket, you can use this so-called rectangular style. Then you can modify the lamps. You can add it. Then the lamps become IoT. Another one like this way. So this one we call the NEMA with light sensor. So the apparent design will be like this way. This controller will come along with the NEMA socket here. So this one we call the NEMA socket. And inside here, there is the luminous sensor. So it can be detect the luminous or the lux level from the sunshine. So at night, it will be automatically turned on. And in the morning, it will be automatically turned off. So this is the two kinds of the controller based on the 6B protocol we have. Talk about LoRa, yes, the apparent design will be the same one, okay? Talk about the gateway, okay? Our gateway is different among in the other supplier in China. Our Shuncom gateway is industrial gate like this. So industrial gate is very small size. Compared to my face, you see, it's smaller than. And the material is made by aluminum and very good for the heat transfer because the gateway have to put outside, especially for Thailand region. In the hot season, the weather is very hot, maybe above 40 degrees. So this one can be working and operation very well, but it's not waterproof. You need to put in the waterproof cabinet like this way. So this is our gateway that we put inside the cabinet. Then we can install in the side projects. This is the gateway for 6B. Maybe the slide a little confused. But this, the right side one, this is the gateway for LoRa, but I didn't bring here. I have only this 6B gateway, which is very common use and very tiny and suitable. And the other is sensor. The sensor like a light sensor or the motion sensor. This is like some optional that we can provide to the user that if they want more optional, then that is great. And then this is the cloud software that we can use to control and access the lamps. You see, we can access each lamp via the Google Map, so we can know the location of the pole that got the problem. And each lamp will be display about the online or offline status. Okay. So the product will show you. Oh, this is more on the gateway and NPPT controller for the solar lighting. Okay. Solar lighting means normally the solar street lamp in the long years ago, you cannot control, you cannot know the status because there is not any IoT control. But right now it changed. The MPPT here, okay, so you connect with the Shuncom 6B controller, this one. when you connect together and you control to the state lamp, that solar then become the IoT. Okay, it become more modernized and more higher end. Okay, example, this is our real sample that we put in front of the office. So there is the solar panel here and the lamps, and we put everything inside the cabinet, like the battery and the MPPT, something like that. Okay, this is the platform. Okay, the platform that we can access, we can know the history data, like last year, last month, how much the power consumption we can know. Okay. The other products, we can say the smart IoT street pole. The smart IoT street pole means that we can put every device into the one pole. So what kinds of the device that we put in the pole, like a CCTV or Wi-Fi or speaker or intercom or video system, environment sensor, LED display, and the last one must be the 6V controller and the gateway and software. So the smart pole, you can put everything and you can control via the software, same one. Okay. So this is the design appearance of the pole that looks modernized and you can put in the smart city. This one, I will skip too many messages and we talk about the site reference project that we have done here. Okay. Okay, so that is all from Shuncom AIoT for today that we want to present to you and on behalf of them.
So after listening to your presentation, I basically know more knowledge about the smart pole. So thank you so much.
Okay.
So this is the, let me see, you have put your email. Oh, this is the website, right? The website and the phone number. And okay, so basically we have all the information. We can contact you with the company. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you again, Ray. Yeah, thank you. Bye bye. Yeah.